Welcome to our van life with our 4 chihuahuas, episode 49. After joining family for an event, we made our way to San Juan Capistrano for Adventure Van Expo. We want all the mods. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. We are here in LA. We decided to stay at a hotel last night because we couldn't find campgrounds that were still available. We just decided to go at the last minute. And when we drove in to the hotel, the driveway had this low-hanging roof, which the clearance you needed at least to be 8 feet high. And so we drove in, and then all of a sudden we heard this crash, and we knew something hit on top of our van. So we pulled out of the driveway and got on top of the roof. Everything remained intact, so there was no damage to our front runner rooftop racks, but our front runner bag broke. It ripped apart into 2 pieces, which was very, very sad, and dented one of the front runner rack on top.
So yeah, the clearance was actually okay for the front of our rack. The bag just went up a little bit on top, and it did hit the stratchets, which were connected to the bag. So that's what ripped it. And then one of the stratchets actually got pulled out. I only went probably about a foot, thankfully, if that it scraped, and it didn't hit the overhang, or didn't affect the overhang. It just basically like snagged our stratchet. But if it would have gone any farther, the overhang would have hit our AC unit, which was higher than the stratchet on top of the bag. So the stratchet was hooked into the front runner ring on a slat, and one slat did pull out and kind of dent, so we're gonna have to get that replaced. But thankfully it's just one slat that you can get out, so we'll have to do a video about that. But we'll just be very thankful that we definitely, as Pia said, learned a lesson that basically don't go under overhangs into parking garages, into hotels. Even if it looks close, just don't do it.
We just came back from a family event, and now we are stopped for lunch because we didn't have breakfast this morning. We went to stop here at Yoshinoya Beef Bowl. I'm not sure if you are familiar with the place, but it's one of my favorite Japanese fast food places here in LA. So we're gonna grab lunch and then get the dogs their food as well, and then head on to San Juan Capistrano and go to the Adventure Van Expo, and hope to see friends there. So this is Yoshinoya Beef Bowl. This is what lunch. So veggies, beef over rice, and Sean has chicken, beef over rice with veggies. Got the dog food out.
Extremely fast.
Boba. It's a lychee boba. It's delicious.
Here we are at the San Juan Capistrano Adventure Van Expo. There's a camping area, a ton of storytellers are here. Kind of take you over where the permanent areas. This is Saturday, so a lot of people that are parked for the long haul of the weekend are over here in this row. We're gonna see if maybe we can get a spot, because it looks like there's a couple available. Probably gonna see some familiar faces all along this row, but lots of vans for sale and lots of cool areas to check out. Van doggies rolling out. First Adventure Van Expo of 2023 in San Juan Capistrano in Southern California. Chewbacca, Boba, and the boys are ready with Pia, getting them all suited up. Dessertaholic is here. Got some food. Oh, they got beer too. That's cool. That's so they got a little stage. Let's check this out over here first. Well, we're up here. Go this way first, yeah. Space. Outside van. This is a double ladder modular storage. Can do for camping, storage, cooking. That's cool. Got some custom wheels here. I like my storytellers, but nice box wheels. Let's see. Oh, and tires. Road van. Munchball. Adventure mattress. Coffee gear, Boss vans. I think so. Special. It's kind of like an extra coffee experience. I don't know. One wheel was from Santa Cruz. One wheel's from Santa Cruz.
Okay, so that can augment this too. So like for some people it's the date between 20 foot and 30 foot. Oh, right.
Good pricing.
In conjunction with your tow strap, now you've got a longer
Recovery gear.
We gotta have somebody cook now.
Fuel van. But I don't think these guys do transit.
I have no idea.
Because now I want the tall one. Yeah, if it fits. I like it. Cool.
It's a raffle and everybody gets a $50 voucher.
Oh. Saw some cool stuff. Morning, everybody. We did not have the ability to camp at the Adventure Van Expo this time. We didn't have tickets, and they didn't really want to have us stay in the camping spot kind of adjacent to it, so we can understand that. And so we left San Juan Capistrano, made our way up I-5, which is really nearby, and we decided to stealth camp tonight. And we targeted a couple spots. One was going to be near the In-N-Out in Kettleman Falls, where they have like an RV lot that you can sleep in overnight. Not really available, but there's definitely people that have done it. It's not on like iOverlander or some of the other spots, but it was gonna be a little bit further, and I was getting a little tired, so Pia was already sleeping, and we decided that we might as well stop a little bit earlier. And we have this spot on the way to Bakersfield on the Stockdale Freeway startup that's just on the street, and we usually stop here just to let the dogs kind of refresh themselves, because there's a nice grass patch that's right in front of a hotel. And it was a really good night. Lots of trucks coming in and out, but I think we were so tired that we just slept right through it. There's a little bit of an odor in the air from the livestock nearby, but let's show you what it looks like. We have trucks, Best Western, nice little grass patch, and nobody around us. We put our stroller out here, nobody messed with it. Got some birdies serenading us. It's a nice crisp morning. You can see I-5 there in the distance. And this was a pretty active lot last night. There's a racetrack a little bit south of here. So I think a lot of people were coming after that, but really nice spot. There's a couple more street spots, and there's definitely a truck lot here too. Hey, get off there, birdies. Birdies like the storyteller too. So Chewbacca just found a little bird nest down here. That's the baby that emerged, and then the mama right there came down and swooped in on the dogs when they were trying to attack it. So Chihuahuas learn quickly not to mess with mama birds.